Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Google Cloud subscription. So as you can see here, I am at console.cloud.google.com. So once you're in here, make sure to log in with the correct account. Once done, go ahead over to the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Click on it. Now go ahead and find billing right here. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to Manage Billing Accounts. Click on it, and in here you'll be able to see the list of your active billing accounts. Okay? If you want to delete or cancel a Google Cloud subscription, all you have to do is just click on the billing account. All right, and then go ahead over to the top, click on Manage Billing Account once more. And then here we have the Close Billing Account button. All right, just click on it. And here it says, before you close this billing account, know this, that the account was billed this amount last month and linked to this amount of resources. Okay, closing this billing account stops all billable services in any project linked to this account. Your current month-to-date cost will be listed in here. And note that additional charges may take up to 48 hours to settle on the account. And if you have any remaining prepayment credits, you can request a refund by just clicking on this hyperlink. All right. Now, if you're really sure you wanted to close or delete or even cancel your Google Cloud subscription, just go ahead and go to the bottom and this text box. Click on it. Now type in close. Now, once done, click on Close Billing Account. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.